Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So guys, this is the day 42 of my vlog, and guys, you can see uh, it is water park. It is Pupil Water Park, and it is in Bhopal. And guys, I will came in Bhopal, so I will making my vlog in water park, and you can see it is small waterfall. You can see, and Shetty is playing with them. You can see, and my mother, you can see. And hi, hi, and there is no rush in that, and you can see, and I will sing you to full of that, and it is very big. You can see it is very big, and it is very big in size, and you can see it from yeah, and you can see guys, you can see that, and it is very big, and the trees here are very big. You can see up, and guys, you can see it is very big, and it is the road of going to the water park, and you can see the picture. You can see the frame, and it is placed in the water park of a water park, and it is in Bhopal. You guys, city is calling me, and you can see in that, and guys, you can see it is second waterfall, and you can see the wheel, and it is steam wheel, it is metal wheel, and you can see the water, and it is made by stones, and you can see the look, and you can see the picture of that, and there are so many lights. You can see lights, and Shetty is very happy because he will go in Bhopal in water park. So guys, let's go together with me, and guys, you can see so guys, let's check that. And guys, you can see that this is my uncle and aunt, and he is calling my uncle, and my mother, and Shetty is playing in the water park, and it is very big, and you can see that, and it is a snake. It is anaconda snake. You can see it is very big, and you can see, and tell me in comments which animal is this of sea, and Shetty is playing with the snake anaconda. You can see it is very big anaconda, and let's go. And you can see it is very big, very big, very big, and it is the end. And you can see the teeth of that anaconda, and you can see. So guys, so let's go from inside the park, and so guys, you can see there are so many colorful fish. You can see red, blue, and that green, and this is deer. This is God. You can see there, and guys, this is penguin. It is in Himalayas, and it is mainly in Himalayas, and Shetty is playing with them, and you can see it is penguin. So let's play that. So guys, guys, it is the Khufia Gufa in the mouth of fish, and there are so many fish, and guys, so let's go with that, and guys, so I will let that, so we will go to my mother and my aunt. You can see my aunt. Hello. Hello. And guys, you can see my mother and Shetty, and it is playing with hulas, and you can see, and I will also playing that. And Shetty is going. You can Shetty is going. and there are many things. You can see backside that it is very big. It is look like a sea because it is has a picture of some animals of sea. And so guys, let's check my face. And guys, you can see I was playing with Jula, and you can see there is photo of anything, and you can see there are studies. There is a board of anything. So let's check this after 2 minutes. So guys, I was playing the second Jula, and my mother is saying मजा आ रहा है. And guys, so guys, sit in playing in the second ride, and this is the first ride. How many you can see the first ride, and the second ride I will playing that. You can see and guys, I was playing in that, and you can see the view of that, and you can see it is very colorful and it is very decorated, and you can see the view, and it is very big in size, and you can see it is the flower. It is like a flower, and it has many colors, and you can see there are so many people are playing in the water park of people, and the lady is high hand camera. You can see the one lady is calls hello in my camera, and I am playing what in the water park. I will playing outside the water park. You can see it is city, and I am playing, and guys, it looks like a toilet, and it is very funny, and I doesn't, and it is made for child. So I will go back, and Shet is playing. Guys, you can see uh, I will going to another place. You can see it is many pictures of flowers and images of fish, and you can see, and you can see the poster of Taj Mahal, and it has also has a Taj Mahal Qutub Minar, like in that, inside the this water park, and you can see it is some faces of some many people. So its name is People Water Park, and you can see the full view, and it is the photos picture. When I was clicking the photo and picture, you can see this one in my channel, and so let's go from the food courts, and after that, after 2 3 minutes, I will go to the food court. You can see it is picture of some food and man, and you can see it is guard, and it is the section of clicking the photo, and you can see its view, and I will also go to the rope riding. You can see the rope riding, and you can see the Challa, and there is no rush in the people water park, and it is very far from my house, and I live in Madhya Pradesh in Murena, and I will go to Bhopal in the water park, and you can see the Khel Ghar, people Khel Ghar, adventurous, and you can see the full view of the playground. You can see it is people's khel ghar. It is people playground. Khel ghar is equal to playground, and you can see it is very it is very big in size, and you can see it is a basketball court, and you can see, and it is made for childs, and some many childs are playing with them, and you can see beside the basketball court have a billiards, and you can see the trampoline, and you can see the billiards, and a man is playing with them, and you can see there are three billiards, and you can see there are some many you can see the man, and it is playing with them, and its ticket is 50 rupees when I will go to any playground, and you can see the view of inside them, and you can see I will and you can see I am playing with them. I will go to them but I will came back because it's I does, and you can see I am, and it is water, and it is the boat. I doesn't play because it is close, so don't go, and at that time I don't go because I will go to the inside the water park, and it is the photo picture, and so let's go to the uh, water park, inside the water park, so, and there is many playgrounds, and it is my aunt, and I will also going with them, and so let's go with me and my aunt and my mother, and guys you can see I will going in that, and you can see the Taj Mahal, and it is the second copy of Taj Mahal, and guys I will go to inside the water park, and inside the Taj Mahal the water park is gaming, and you doesn't see because I will making this video because my mother is making this video, so I doesn't make this video, and that, and I will go to in the water park when my mother is came late, and you can see there is clouds, and it is second copy of Taj Mahal, and it is the road of, and guys you can see I will going with my uncle, and you can see it is my auntie, and I will swimming, and my shetty is playing, and you can see I will doing some unique, you can see I will I will going to the you can see I will going to the backflips, you can see I will you can see, oh I will doing backflip, and I will also enjoy them. Of my water park, and you can tell me in comments which water park is this, and this is yes guys, this is People's Water Park. So guys, uh, next I will meeting you in train, guys. And guys, you can see the Statue of Liberty, and the horse, and this is unicorn. And guys, you can see the view of in one image, and it is laughing with the, and when I will bath in that this swimming pool, and this slide I will riding this slide, and I will also sliding this slide, and totally have in small water park is totally have first this slide, and second this slide, third slide, fourth slide, and fifth slide, and sixth slide. So you can see the picture of bridge, and of it is the bridge of this water park. So guys, I will ready for going to the riding rope, and it is a girl, and I will go to with a girl and a boy, and you can see my uncle is making video, and I will also ready, but
Get to ready for
uh,
zip line.
I doesn't wear the gloves and helmet, so I will wearing that. You can see this is the bhaiya, and it is wearing the gloves and that. So guys, I will came back from the rope riding.
अरे
You
ऐसे
can
नीचे
see
लाओ.
I will going to the I will going that. You can see I am this in the video. So after that, I will came back from that, and its ticket is only 100 rupees. So I will going to that, and my uncle doesn't make full video that, and guys, then I will resting that. After that, I will going and I will taking ticket and going them. After that, I will going to the tracks. After that, I will came back. You can see after some many times, and it is bhaiya, and it is I will going to that, and I will taking this to the Parchi and to the ticket, and after that he will ready me, and it is wearing me to gloves and some many things, and he will bring his setup, and so after that, after some many times, I will go after 5 minutes. I will go to the rope ride. You can see bhaiya is wearing me to the some things on my body. You can see here, and you can see I will wearing the gloves and so many things you can see. So let's go. I will going
ब्रेक
to
कैसे लगाने हैं?
the rope riding. So I will meeting you to in the rope riding. So guys, I will meeting you to in my rope riding. So Bhaiya is ready me. So guys, so next meets in the rope riding. So I will.
बैठा कुछ बैठ
And guys, after I will ready, I will taking a rest for 5 minutes. After that, I will go, and you can see I was sleeping on the chair, and you can see I will came back. You can see this is I am this, and I will came back, and this the video is my uncle is making this video. So this video is very difficult, guys. I will saying hello to you, so you can see I will came back. You can see I will going to them, and I will ready for going. So guys, I will go that. So you can see I will catch the rubber that one. I will film that. You can see. So let's go. I will go into that. You can see. I will go to, and I doesn't how to that. I will at last I will
बताइए ये कौन है? ये है हमारा शिवम.
I am the. You see, it is very good, and it is very scarce, and I will scare. You see, there is so many lights, and it is very decorated, and I will clean next. You can see, I will wear that, and it is great having. You can see the ticket.
अब कर.
It is 100 rupees ticket. I am very scared, so I didn't hello, hi to the camera so I will hi cameras. You can see I will go back to the road riding, so you can see bye. Guys, it is the full scene of that. can see, and
इसको
it is
देखते
very
रहना।
high. It is very high, and it is very big. You can see the zip line, and it is zip line, and you can see it is my mother, and then and it is my uncle, and I will go to the other place, and the video is making my aunt, and here you can see the full scene, and you can see I will going to the Taj Mahal. You can see it is decorated with light, with Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar. Like that, I will going to the in that, and I will came back slowly. I will making the video of going. So let's go, and I will came back with my aunt, and you can see I will came slowly and with my aunt. So you can see I will came back. And guys, it is starting of my
यहाँ पे बहुत
video.
सारे बच्चे
You
हैं,
can see I will
और यहाँ
play
पे
with
हमारे दो
them,
बच्चे भी हैं
and I
जो
will
इधर उधर देख
sitting
रहे हैं।
in the boat in starting, and there is some many people, and it is doing some many activity, and it is small swimming pool, and it is a flag in the hand of this man, and you can see
चलो
the
चलो चलो
swimming
देखो
pool.
देखो।
So let's go inside the water park. I will go at last. So next meet in water park. You can see the scene, and there is a wind in this water park, and so this is my mother and Sheti. So let's go to the way of water park, and it is only 2-3 boats, and it is full of. When I will came back, it is full of water. This boat is full of water, and you can see it is the view of going to the and Shetty is playing, and I will also hire a camera, and I will clicking some photos with them, with the peacock, and Shetty is came back, and you can see my picture, and I will posting my picture in my channel, so you can see there are so many 5-6 photos. So let's go inside. I will from inside, and then I will film it. It is the video of it, and I will film it. And it is very long, and I will watch everything after making that vlog, and because the video is making my aunt, so I don't have mobile, so I don't speak English. So in
Aquele?
starting I have a phone, so I will speak English. And you can see it is a truck type, and it is swimming pool, and it is decorated with many lights. And you can see I will came back. When I will came back, this is the video of mine, and I will came back slowly, and the video is came, and I will stop, and you can see at that time I will high in camera. You can see I will pretty high, and he is unlock the lock, and so after that I will came back. You can see I will came, and then I will came back. After that I will came back with the unit, and you can see I will high in camera. You can use both hands, and I will came back, and I will my you can see my mother, and she is playing with waterfall, and so I will see you to the water park, and you can see I will also play that waterfall, and its water is very cold. Drinking water doesn't have and it is very powerful.
If I was going
इधर
water
चलो
park, in that water park, you can see it is my aunt and my mother, and I will making the videos. You can see it is very big in inside. It is also very big in inside. You can see it is road, and you can see this is my aunt and Shetty and my mother, and there are some trees, and you can see. And I will going to Bhopal, and it is Bhopal water park, and you can see my uncle, and you can see the water park of waves, and it is mainly used for waves, and I will also also click some photos and selfies. You can see it is videos of this water park. You can see it is wave pool, and it is very big. You can see the board wave pool, and I will came back from, and you can see the uh, uh, Tanki, like type of Tanki.
क्या
It's light right to water park, and I will going to the pool of this water park, and I will miss this water park, and this water park doesn't this slides doesn't start because he doesn't start of this slides. You can, and this slide it is very big, and I doesn't go because his water doesn't came, so I doesn't go to, and many people doesn't go, so I always don't go. And you can see the horse, and I will clicking some photos about them, and I will playing with them, and it is made by wood, and you can see outside the water park, and then I will go to that, and you can see the water park, and I will came back. It is the video of mine, and guys, I will came back. In my first video, I doesn't you don't see my old photo. You can see it is my photo. It is my video of
Aquarium?
I will go to
Eh?
the slide, and you can see not slide. I will rope riding. You can see I will came back slowly, and it is people water park. You can see its ticket is 100 rupees zipline, and I came back. So you can see Shetty is seeing me. I will doing this adventure because it doesn't have any adventure. It is very interesting. You can see I will came back. I will